Hi, welcome back. I'm Sugar. It's nice to see you. I'm so excited to teach you something new about art today. Today we are going to learn about form. Here is our supply list for today. You will need a paper plate, some Play-Doh. If you don't have some, you can make some very quickly, just using a cup of flour, half a cup of salt, and a cup of water. And also, this is optional, but if you have some blocks, run and grab them. So what is form? Well, form is kind of like shape, except for it's three-dimensional. That's a big word, right? What does that mean? Let me show you. So, a circle is a shape, right? But if I turn this all around, that's all you see is just a circle, okay? So a circle is a shape. A form would be like a ball. You can see the ball from all different angles, okay? So this is a shape. This is a form. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, so like we said, a circle is a shape, a ball or sphere would be a form. Let's find another example. Here's a square. A square is a shape. But a cube is a form. See how you can see it from all different angles? Let's try a couple more. So a rectangle is a shape. That's it. Okay? But this is a form. Okay? We can see it from all different sides. A triangle is a shape. But this would be a form. Okay, does that make sense? I hope so. So I want you to show me what you know. Okay? So what I want you, if you've got your blocks, run and grab them really quickly. If not, let's try to think of some things that may be around your house that would be forms. So we said that a ball was a form and a circle was a shape. What about this form, a cylinder? See how you can see it from all sides? Here's an example of something I found at home that's shaped like a cylinder. What can you find that's shaped like a cylinder? Let's try a couple more. Remember how we held up this form? Do you have a block this shape? Or here's something that I found in my spice cabinet. Look, it's shaped just the same. What do you have at your house? And here's another form, a cube. You know what looks like this? The top of a phone charger. That looks like a cube. What can you think of? And then look at this form, this triangle form. What do you think would be like that? Maybe a piece of pizza? Ooh, you're making me hungry. Form is very important in your artwork because when you are able to see objects from different sides, it makes your drawings or your art more interesting. For an example, here is a circle. Here is a sphere. Now, is it still flat Yes, just like this. But that is another one of our cool drawing tools to make it look like it's 3D. I'm ready to read a story about forms and shapes to you. Are you ready? Okay, let me get my glasses. Hey, I'm so glad you're here. Today we are going to read When I Build with Blocks by Nikki Alling. It's time to make a choice of where we want to play. I choose the block area almost every day. When I build with blocks, I can be anything. I can build a royal castle where I am the king. Ooh, do you see some of the shapes that we used today, the forms? Look, there's a cylinder. Look there. What else do you see? Oh, so cool. I can zoom in a rocket to outer space. Yes, the block area is my favorite place. I can sail around the world on a pirate ship. Together we built it for our trip. Arr, shark. Oh, look, they made a shark fin. When it's storming outside, what I like to do the most is build a scary haunted house and pretend that I'm a ghost. Boo! I am a race car driver. I can go very fast. I have a race car built to last. Zoom! I am a firefighter. I put out fires. I built a fire truck with a ladder and big tires. I am an engineer on a long train. An engineer's the train driver. We ride through the country and back again. Whoop, whoop. I can build a bridge that's very long. It holds many cars because it's strong. We must protect our land from enemies far and near. We build a giant fort to make sure the coast is clear. I love to be a pilot and take my plane out for a flight. I build a sprawling airport to land it for the night. It's cleanup time again. We put the blocks away. We stack them neatly on the shelves to build another day. Look at all the fun things that you can build with blocks. What great ideas! Have you made some of these things? What do you like to build with blocks? Let's start our project for today. But before we start, you have to have strong hands to use Play-Doh. So let's do a couple of quick hand exercises to help get your hands strong, okay? So I want you to hold your hands like this and then stretch them as far as you can. Let's do it again. Stretch. Oh my goodness, that feels so good. Let's do it one more time. Stretch. Okay, now I want you to take this hand, and with this hand, I want you to just squeeze all the way down. Ooh, that feels good. Let's do it one more time. Okay, let's try it with this hand. Oh, did you hear my wrist pop? Okay, hands feel good, ready to go. So grab your plate and your Play-Doh. Here's what we are going to do. We are going to make some shapes and some forms. Let's see if we can get this out. Oh, come on, Play-Doh. Let's cooperate. Okay, so the first shape and forms that we talked about were a circle and a ball or a sphere. So let's work on that first. I'm gonna take, maybe about this amount, and I'm gonna make a teeny little ball. Just gonna roll it between my hands. Okay, so we have got our sphere right there, right? But to make it a shape, so there's our form. So to make it a shape, let's just press it. And then we've got our circle. Okay, let's make one more. About that amount. Let's roll it into a ball. What's your favorite color? That's a hard question for me to answer. Okay, and there's our sphere. Okay, so we have shape and form. So let's try a different one. What if we try a cylinder? Okay, so a cylinder, the shape is going to be like a circle again, right? Top of this is like a circle. Okay, so, but in order to get this form, let's take this ball and let's start rolling it just a little, not a lot, just a little. And don't press, I'm using very light pressure with my hand. Okay, see how it's getting a teeny bit longer? Okay, see what the shape looks like now? It doesn't look like a ball anymore, does it? Okay, let's roll it out just a little bit more. And I think that looks about right. Now, we need to flatten out the ends. So I'm gonna tap it this way. I'm gonna tap it this way using light hands. And look, we've got our own little cylinder, our own form. That was fun. Let's see what else we can make. How about this one? It's a square and a cube. Okay, so let's do the shape and the form. Let's take a little Play-Doh and I'm gonna make a ball again. Now, if I am going too fast for you, you can stop your video and catch up and then hit press play again. Okay, so I've got my ball. Now, to get it to be square shaped, remember how we tapped to get some flat sides? Let's do that again with this ball, okay? But we're gonna have to tap it on a lot of sides, right? Okay, so let's start. Let's do 1. That's pretty flat. 2. 3. Ooh, it's starting to shape up. 4. Now let's do the bottom. Let's do the top. Oh! Is yours a cube? Is yours a 3D square? I'm gonna press the sides around just a little bit more, just to even them up. How does yours look? Did we get a cube? I think so. Okay, so, and then if we want to have a square shape, let's take a little more. And again, I'm going to make it into a little ball, just a little one. I'm going to flatten it again. But this time, I'm going to press on each of the sides. Okay, and this may take a little bit of practice. So again, if you need to stop the video and work on it and then press play again, you can do that. I just don't want you to get frustrated. Okay, look at that. We've got a shape and a form. There we go. Let's do one more. How about this one? The triangle. Let's do that one. Okay, again, everything is going to start with the ball. Get your ball. Okay, so let's make the shape first on this one. I'm going to squeeze it down some. Now, what I'm going to do is we want it to be this shape, right? Can you make that with your hands? We want it to be that shape, right? Just like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of make that with my hands. I'm just going to use my thumb to flatten this and then pinch the sides down. Actually, I might pinch the top up a little bit. Let's flatten the top. I'm just patting it lightly. What do you think? Think we got a pretty good triangle? I think we do. Okay, so now let's make our form. Let me grab a little bit more Play-Doh. Using Play-Doh is really good for helping you build strength in your hands, meaning to make your hands strong. So, I like it when you can use Play-Doh and work on your strength or your strongness. Okay, so we've got a ball. One more time. This time we're going to make our form. Shape, form. Let's make it. Okay, I'm going to squeeze this down just a little bit. And again, it's pretty thick, right? It's not thin, it's pretty thick. I'm going to pinch down again. Pinch down, flatten. Pinch. I'm going to actually pinch that up. Squeeze it up. Oh my goodness, that looks kind of like a nose. Let's flatten it. Okay, so I'm going to take this side. I'm going to tap it to see if we can get it flatter. Take this side, tap it. What do you think? How does yours look? Does yours look like mine? I bet it does. Okay, so we have got shape, form, shape, form, shape, form. You did such a great job. I enjoyed learning about form with you today. If you want to come back and watch my video again, you can, and you can work on your hand strength some more. I'll see you next time.